Garuda, Indonesia launched Mumbai-Denpasar direct flights.
It is actually going to be Airbus 330. Initially, we will be flying 2 times, and then in the month of June, with the additional deployment of the aircraft, we will be flying 3 times a week. Hopefully, before the end of this year, we will be able to fly 4 times a week between Denpasar and Mumbai.
The Ministry of Tourism, in collaboration with Google India, has launched a 360-degree virtual reality experience video for the global Incredible India tourism campaign.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
Padma Shri Inder Sharma's autobiography was launched in Delhi.
I would recommend every tourism professional in this country to read is this book. A story of a man who started as a transfer assistant in Mercury Travel in 1953 at a salary of 150 rupees and went on to build India's greatest travel business, Sita World Travel.
I cannot envisage Inder sitting in a mall or in a shop. He was a man who was in the plane or on a conference or in a party.
He was indeed a stalwart in travel trade. His advice was extremely useful.
He was a very, very fine man, most loving. There are lessons in this for each of us and for the next generation, for the industry, for the families.
Sarovar Hotels and Resorts opened Sarovar Premier Jaipur.